I got no idea what's in this, and it is covered in a mountain of tape. So let's just open this up and see what's inside. Sometimes I swear people just put more and more tape on these things to mess with me. They're like, I wonder if they'll deal with all this tape on camera, and then I'll get to watch them do it. Oh boy. The unboxing knife is starting to struggle. Layers upon layers of wrapping here. Just gonna work our way through it slowly. The small, sharp unboxing knife may have met its match there, but we got through it. This box is kind of cute in a weird way. It's like one of those boxes when they fire you on TV shows and stuff, they always have one of those boxes that they carry their stuff out in. DPVR, now what could that stand for? Usually at this point I open a box and I start to remember a conversation I had with someone in email. Right now though, I have literally no idea. I don't remember this at all. DPVR, I have no idea. It looks like it's maybe for a very cute sort of game. It's a nice shirt. The quality feels really nice on it. Very adorable little emblems. Watch, this is gonna be some kind of like Rick and Morty thing where it looks cute and it's very heinous.
So if you really want your grandpa back, grab a shovel. The one that won't let you down is buried in your backyard.
A desktop oscillating fan? So it's gotta have something to do with, maybe it's an active game or something? DPVR, only for the elite player. What headset is that? Why do I remember nothing about this? They sent me this little astronaut figure, which by the colors, maybe it's part of the, their logo, but the brand is Butt Goods. It shows on the back Butt Goods with a talking bubble and coming out of a dog's butt. What in the hell is this package? Is this actually a fan or is this a disguise to hide what's really in here? No, this is a fan. I am so lost on what is happening right now. The fan says DPVR on it. Hey, it even comes with a charge. How'd they know I was gonna be warm in here? All right, we got one last thing in the box here. Okay, so this is a hype package. Jay, we appreciate your willingness to do a product review for us. Our new VR headset, the E4 Pegasus, will be shipped to you soon. Hope you enjoy it. Inside the package are gifts for you. If you have any problems, don't hesitate to contact us, blah, blah, blah. We're here to help. VP of DPVR. Well, thank you for the DP from the VP.
Don't be gross, Tammy.
Last, we have a box which, same thing. It's got no English on it except VS Go, so I don't even know what the heck is in this box. Whoever this is, I appreciate that they seem to have a sense of humor about things, especially with the Butt Goods. It little fan oscillates, how cute. It actually gets some pretty good wind going too. How funny. I didn't think I was gonna be reviewing a fan today. Oh boy, the surprises just keep coming. Screen wipes, cleaning cloth, magic keyboard, clean plastic, a kit to clean your keyboard. My mechanical keyboard could probably use some cleaning. Some more microfiber type cloth, some very, very sharp Q-tips. And what did I drop? I can't read any of this. I don't know what this says. And other wipes. There's a package of very weird jelly in there. This just says how to wipe your keyboard, basically. Is this something that you clean a keyboard with? Seems like everything in that box was some sort of cleaner. What the hell? I'm scared to even open this. It might be poison. Well, DPVR, you got me very intrigued, if nothing else. I am very curious at what's coming next. Either we'll publish this video on its own, or if the headset comes in soon, maybe we'll get I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll have to figure that out. I gotta go search through emails and everything and see if I have a string of communication I completely forgot about here. But yeah, this is fun. This is probably one of the most fun kits I've gotten. Not the coolest, like the pistol whip, so that's really cool. This is just hilarious. So thank you. I almost feel like I'm getting trolled, but in a good way. So thank you so much, and I will see you in another reality.